uses cell membrane-coated nanoparticles to deliver therapeutics for treating retinal diseases. In our body, cell membrane is an important part in a cell. Cells have specific biological interaction with others using cell membrane proteins and receptors. The unique part of this invention is the cell membrane coating. It's like a GPS helping the nanoparticles to target the injury retina, reduce inflammation and cytotoxicity. Additionally, the coating itself has anti-inflammatory effect, adding extra protection to the retina, making this a more effective treatment than just use the drug alone. Our Biomimetics Nanoplatform combines targeted delivery, retinal cells protection, anti-inflammatory effect, and extra intraocular pressure reduction into one highly effective therapeutic platform. This approach could offer more possibilities in retinal diseases treatment. The inspiration for this invention stemmed from the challenges in retinal disease. For example, in glaucoma treatment, current treatments mainly focus on lowering intraocular pressure, but they don't address the underlying inflammation and retinal damage that occurred after these conditions. We recognize the need for a treatment that could not only deliver medication more effectively, but also target anti-inflammation and protect retinal cells with high efficacy. The idea of using cell membrane-coated nanoparticles came from their understanding that cell membranes have natural properties that allow them to target specific damaged tissues. We thought that combining these properties with a potent drug could offer a more effective solution.
Our inventions could greatly improve treatment for retinal diseases by offering a targeted, effective, and safer solution. It combines drug delivery and anti-inflammatory properties to preserve vision and reduce retinal damages. By focusing on the damaged retina, it minimizes side effects and speeds up recovery. In addition, this approach could extend to other retinal diseases like diabetic retinopathy, benefiting patients with limited treatment options. As an optometrist, we understand the patient's concern, so we team up with pharmaceutical and material specialists to develop our Biomimetics Nanoplatform. After completing preclinical testings, so we aim to move towards a clinical application, refining and improving the platform based on the real-world feedback. So this creates continuous cycles of demand, development, feedback, and improvement in our R&D process. So during the developmental process, we seek advice from experts in different areas, such as optometrists, ophthalmologists, pharmacologists, and chemists, with hope that we can develop treatment with better treatment efficacy.
Regarding the invention process, we believe it all started with identifying the need based on the current challenges in the treatment of retinal diseases. Once the need was clear, we based on our team's experience and collaborated across multiple disciplines to propose a solution, which is the Biomimetic Nanoplatform. First, we began testing it at the cell and then the animal level, gathering feedback from the vast amount of experimental data. This allowed us to refine the platform step by step. Finally, we focused on validating the effectiveness and safety of our invention, ensuring that it could be a reliable solution for treating retinal diseases. This process was built on continuous feedback and improvements, bringing together scientific knowledge and practical innovation to develop a product with real potential. As we know, delivering drugs to the posterior chamber through the cornea is challenging. All FDA-approved drugs like anti-VEGF treatments are injected directly into the vitreous for optimal therapeutic outcomes. As a result, our future plans will include developing a new platform which can hopefully overcome this limitation and develop a biomimetic nanoplatform that's capable of efficient drug delivery through the cornea to treat retinal diseases. I always encourage students to ask questions before starting a project. Don't be afraid to challenge existing ideas. Identify the problem, and then the creative solutions will come. No one can achieve great things alone. Build a network of mentors and collaborators who can provide different perspectives and expertise. Most importantly is continue working with others. Sometimes through discussions, we can often spark new ideas and accelerate new progress.